A computer takes input, processes it, and produces output. Input is the set of instructions that we give to the computer. The computer executes the instructions. This is known as processing. The results that are shown after processing are known as output. Now let's see about computer devices. All the parts of a computer are categorized into four main types of devices: input devices, output devices, storage devices, and processing devices. All the processing takes place inside the CPU. Output devices give the result to the user. Some output devices are monitor, printer, and speaker, etc. Processing device handles all the instructions given to the computer. The devices which are used to give instructions to the computer are called input devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, touchscreen, and stylus pen. Let's see these devices one by one. First, input devices. The most commonly used input device is a keyboard, which is used to enter text in the computer. The keyboard has also all the letters and digits on its keys. When we press keys on the keyboard, the output appears on the monitor. A keyboard has 104 or more keys. It's very simple to use. In addition to the numbers and letters on the keyboard, it has some special keys. For example, we have special keys by which we can correct the mistakes or insert new words. Let's discuss some of the keys of the keyboard. First one, alphabet keys. These are used to type letters and words. There are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z. Next, number keys. These keys are used to type numbers on a computer. The number keys are from 0 to 9. Next, space bar, which one is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give blank spaces between letters, words, and numbers. Next, enter key, which one is considered as an important key on the keyboard. It is used to move to the next line while typing. Then, backspace. This key is used to delete text. When we press this key, the letter on the left side of the cursor gets deleted. This key is also used to delete text while typing. When we press this key, the letter on the right side of the cursor gets deleted. It's also used to delete files or folders from the computer. Next, caps lock. It is used to type the text with capital and small letters. When we type with caps lock on, the text we type appears in capital letters. Next, shift key. It allows to type a single letter in capital. For example, by pressing the shift key along with any alphabet key, we can type a capital letter. We can type special symbols given in the picture by pressing the shift key along with these keys. Then, arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard: up arrow, down arrow, left and right arrows. Up arrow is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow is used to move the cursor down. Left is used to move the cursor to the left. Right arrow is used to move the cursor to the right side. Next, Ctrl key. The short form of Ctrl key is Ctrl. This key is pressed along with other keys to give commands to the computer. For example, the Ctrl key, when pressed with saves the document. Tab key. It is used to move the cursor to the next tab stop. Mouse is another input device that can create movement on the screen. Using the mouse, it is simple to create pictures or quickly move words here and there. It can act as a joystick as well. As you slide the mouse around on a flat surface, the movement of the ball inside the mouse results in a movement of the cursor on the screen. The cursor may be rapidly moved to any position on the screen by moving the mouse. The buttons on top of the mouse can also be used for sending different signals to the computer. So that mouse considered as the most popular pointing device. Scanner. It is an input device which is like a photocopy machine. It is used to put data into the computer from a paper. This data can be text or an image. A touchscreen is an electronic visual device which allows the user to operate by touching the screen with fingers. Microphone. It is also an input device. It is used to record our voice into the computer. Stylus pen. It is a hot-pointed touch pen. It is used by tapping on touchscreen devices to input commands. These all devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, stylus pen, microphone are used to input the data, which means it is used to feed names, numbers and other information to the computer. Children, I hope you have understood all input devices by watching this video. Thank you children. God bless you. Have a good day.